If you work in an industrial electrical role, in power generation, renewables, or wind power, then choose our two-tone garments. Everyone loves choice. We're no different here at ProGARM. Our two-tone collection of combined high-vis yellow and navy garments currently has the widest choice of garments of all our collections. Featuring our latest VXS Plus fabrics, our garments are manufactured and tested for minimum shrinkage, low colour washout, and because they are 100% inherent, the instant extinguishing arc flash protection these garments deliver won't wash out either. Inherent protection for the life of the garment, and great looking two-tone garments your team will be happy to wear. But great garments isn't just about the colour, of course. All garments in the range also feature therm-safe heat-resistant zippers, poppers and other components. Made from military-grade plastic, they will continue to function even after an arc flash incident. The two-tone collection is a comprehensive range featuring two styles of coverall, an arc flash jacket and trouser, and a 100% waterproof 47 cal outerwear insulated jacket and salopettes. You can also team these with our newly re-engineered and shaped polo shirt, a sweatshirt, or our 2018 soft shell jacket, all of which are available in navy or high visibility yellow. And because it's not just a man's world, many of our garments are also available in women's sizes and shapes too. Women's garments designed by women for women. All ProGARM garments are covered by our lifetime seam guarantee, so you can throw everything you've got at them. And each has an array of features to ensure a close and safe fit, to make the garments really comfortable and to help you do your job effectively. Mandarin collars, Velcro secured cuff tabs and adjustable waistbands give an excellent fit. Internal knee pad pockets can accommodate flame-resistant foam knee pads. Easy stretch side panels aid movement, and well-designed pockets, accessible when wearing a safety harness, are just some of the ways we design a garment that works for you. These garments are complemented with a fantastic range of accessories too. And if two-tone isn't your thing, take a look at our high-vis orange, high-vis yellow, and single-colour blue collections. Remember, whichever range and garments you choose, we don't make garments for anyone else. And so, if it doesn't say ProGARM on the label, it's not ProGARM. We know no one innovates faster than us, and we're here to bring you and your team home safely. When lives are at stake, trust a specialist.